received a parcel, so that means it's time for an unboxing video. This box contains 2 integrated circuits. There we go. I've cheated slightly in taking the tape off this. It was one of those boxes I couldn't figure out how to get it open. There we go. Right, in here, let's get rid of that. We've got 2 integrated circuits, but they're not like modern integrated circuits. These things were made in England by Mullard in the 1960s, and they are in the Mullard NORBIT range of modules. That, there we go. So here they are, 2 integrated circuits. Now, I think they are NOR gates, as the NORBIT name implies, although there were other things made in this range. They're quite heavy, but then there's a lot of epoxy in that. And you can see that they have pins in the same way that a modern IC has, but they've also got a different number of pins on each side so that you can't plug them in backwards. Quite a good idea, I think. So that's one module. I think that contains 2 NOR gates. Just for comparison, here's a typical 1970s chip. That contains 4 gates. That's a 7402, 4 NOR gates. Here's a modern surface mount part that can do about the same sort of thing. The biggest DIL part I could find is the good old 68,000, and that does actually win as being slightly bigger. But this is a complete 16-bit microcomputer processor, CPU, in one chip. This is 2 NOR gates. This is 4 NOR gates, and so's that. Haven't technology moved on? In another video I'll get this working, I expect.